Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my face that I did in 2 minutes. I'm actually so impressed. I challenged myself, I set a timer on my phone. I'm really impressed that this all took 2 minutes, and seriously, this makeup look is for those of you that are are at a point in your life right now where you maybe just keep waking up late, or you're really short on time in the mornings, or maybe you just want to spend less time on your makeup and more time doing the things that you enjoy in the morning. Then this makeup look is going to be super helpful. I'm just so impressed that I managed to slap this on in 2 minutes. If you're running late, this is the makeup look that you need to do. So yeah, I'm really impressed. Let's get into it. I have 4 products to use. I have a foundation, a mascara, a lip product, and an eyebrow product. I feel like these are the 4 main products to put together a face. So this is what I'm using, and I'm going to try for 30 seconds per product. I'm going to set a 2-minute timer on my phone to see if I can actually do this in under 2 minutes, and I'm starting with my foundation and my foundation brush first. So let's start. Go! Okay, I got 2 minutes to do my full face of makeup. And I just dropped a bit of foundation on the floor. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly put this all over my face. What are we up to? I have 10 seconds to finish my foundation if I wanna stay on time. I love this foundation. It's the Mecca Max Lifeproof long wear foundation. It's definitely long wear, I love it. It's a bit more of a medium coverage, but it is buildable for today, and because I'm going really quickly, I'm just doing a pretty light coverage to my face. I actually am so far away from my mirror right now, I can't tell. And I've dug into doing the brows. Quick, I gotta do brows. Where's the Hourglass Brow thing? So this here is my Hourglass Brow product. This is kind of like one of the regular spoolie products that you just run product through your brows, which I like to do. And I do this on both brows really quickly. And then there's actually a longer side to this brush. There's longer bristles that I use in the front section to swipe up, and it kind of makes your brows really fluffy, because I would kill for fluffy brows, but you know, I pretend I'm part of the fluffy brow club when I've got this on. So yep, okay, brows done. Then mascara. This is fun. This is super challenge. And my phone's gone to sleep, so I can't actually see how much time I have left. But if you're running really short on time, don't do mascara on the bottom lashes. It's not worth it. Not worth it. Just put a little bit on the top lashes. Oh, I feel like this is a disaster. Anyways, the point is you can pretty much do makeup in 2 minutes. And time hasn't gone off yet. Quick lip product. Why does my face look so orange in the camera? I don't know. And I'm just gonna do this real quick. And I'm pretty much done. Yay, look at that 2-minute makeup tutorial. Right on time. Anyways. Okay, so that's my 2-minute makeup tutorial. I need to get a mirror and closer inspect myself for this. I don't hate it. The foundation is such a good foundation. That blended in so well, so quickly. Brows are a little bit messy. My mascara is not quite on properly. But for 2 minutes of makeup being put on my face, it's actually not that bad. I'm pretty impressed. So if I'm ever running late, I now know that I can do a 2-minute makeup tutorial. I really hope, my foundation looks perfect in real life. Actually, I'm really impressed with my foundation. On camera right now, it looks really orange or yellow here. I don't know. Cameras do what they want to do. They don't show things how they're supposed to be. But yeah, so that's my 2-minute makeup look to save you time in the morning. I think those are the 4 base products: foundation, brows, mascara, and a lip product. Totally the best products you can use, I think, to do a really quick makeup look. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope this saves you some time when you're running late, or if you would like to just add some more time into your morning routine. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. At the top here, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I will leave a link to another one of my videos, and I will see you guys in my next one.